Hi everyone. The story of Cinderella and her stepmother is often told from Cinderella's perspective, highlighting the unkindness and cruelty of her stepmother and stepsisters. However, there are untold stories about the stepmother's own struggles and motivations. The stepmother, whose name was Lady Beatrice, was once a young and ambitious woman who dreamed of a better life for herself and her daughters. When she married Cinderella's father, she believed she had found her ticket to a life of luxury and comfort. However, as time passed, her husband's wealth dwindled, leaving them in a state of financial ruin. Desperate to regain her social status and provide for her daughters, Lady Beatrice saw marrying off her stepdaughter Cinderella as a way to secure their future. She pushed Cinderella to attend the palace ball in the hopes that she would catch the eye of a wealthy suitor and restore their family's fortunes. Despite her harsh treatment of Cinderella, Lady Beatrice struggled with guilt and regret for the pain she caused her stepdaughter. She knew deep down that Cinderella was a kind and gentle soul, undeserving of the mistreatment she received. But her desperation to improve her daughters' lives clouded her judgment and led her to make choices she would later come to regret. It was during Cinderella's darkest moment, when she was left sobbing in the ashes after her stepsisters tore her dress to shreds, that a kind angel appeared to Lady Beatrice. The angel revealed to her the error of her ways and the importance of treating others with compassion and empathy. Touched by the angel's words, Lady Beatrice finally saw the error of her ways and vowed to make amends for the suffering she had caused Cinderella. From that day on, Lady Beatrice became a kinder and more compassionate mother to Cinderella, realizing that true happiness came from love and forgiveness, not from material wealth. She apologized to Cinderella for her past behavior and worked tirelessly to make amends, eventually earning Cinderella's forgiveness and respect. Together, Cinderella and Lady Beatrice worked to rebuild their relationship and create a new, loving family dynamic. And though they faced many challenges along the way, their bond grew stronger with each passing day, thanks to the intervention of a kind angel who showed them the power of forgiveness and redemption. As their relationship blossomed, Lady Beatrice found herself sharing more about her own struggles and insecurities with Cinderella. She revealed the pressures she faced as a young woman to meet society's expectations and the lengths she went to in order to secure a better future for her daughters. Cinderella, in turn, shared her own pain and hardships with Lady Beatrice, helping her stepmother understand the depth of her suffering. With open hearts and honest communication, they were able to heal the wounds of the past and move forward with a newfound sense of understanding and empathy. Together, Cinderella and Lady Beatrice became a formidable team, supporting each other through life's challenges and triumphs. They worked together to overcome obstacles and create a harmonious home filled with love and respect.